Now, your Storm Alert Team Forecast from meteorologist Brittany Foster.
Good Wednesday morning, everyone. Things are looking nice and calm across really most of Nebraska this morning. We had some clouds overnight, but those have since pushed out eastward out of the area, so which means we are dealing with clear conditions and temperatures are dropping as a result. But there is a little bit of good news in terms of this. We aren't seeing very strong wind speeds, and of course that is one of the biggest things that give us those wind chill values. It makes it feel a lot cooler. Most of us are around 5 miles per hour, but still, even with such light wind speeds, some of us are still feeling like those single digits this morning. That's the case for York. 9 degrees is what it feels like. They're also feeling like 9 in Columbus. Lincoln, we feel like 13 degrees. It feels like 20 in Omaha, which is your actual air temperature. So your wind's calm enough to not give you a wind chill value currently. That's also the case in Beatrice. 23 degrees is what it feels like there. That's also your actual air temperature, even in Hebron. So some of you are not that bad in terms of you're not dealing with wind chill values. It's still cold, but you're not dealing with wind chill values like some of us are that are making it feel like those single digits and teens. But all of us will warm up later today. It's going to be above average day today. Highs return to the 50s. By 12 o'clock, we'll reach the low 40s. 3 o'clock, highs around 50 degrees with also quite a bit of sunshine for the first half of your afternoon. But by the evening, we will start to see clouds increasing and also wind speeds picking up just a tad. And they are out of the south today, so that's why we'll be back into those 50s. Much better for today, overnight, and even tomorrow. You're going to like the next several hours. Even tonight, we're going to be on the mild side thanks to that southerly wind just continuing. Instead of those 20s that we're seeing this morning and wind chill values in the single digits and teens, it'll be in the low 30s as clouds increase, acting as a blanket, helping us also with that southerly wind. But tomorrow, we will start to see the wind shifting. Not really going to affect our temperatures just yet, though. We'll still reach the mid 50s. Warmest day of the work week will be tomorrow, but after that, well, come Friday, a big drop in temperatures arrives as a drop in the atmosphere arrives coming down from Canada. Cooler air sinking into Nebraska. Highs are in the upper 30s by Friday. That little drop in the atmosphere in terms of our heights continues through Saturday, keeping us in the upper 30s. So chilly and enough that we'll see maybe a little bit of some snow in the forecast. So we are within 48 hours. We can talk about some specifics right now. Heaviest of the snow still in northeast Nebraska. As for southeast Nebraska, right along I-80, there's still pretty high uncertainty, but it looks like maybe about a trace to 2 inches of snow. So what you need to know for Friday: your morning commute likely will be fine. It's that evening commute home in southeast Nebraska. We could be dealing with maybe up to 2 inches of snow on the ground. We will be seeing some changes in totals, though, potentially as we get closer to Friday, because models are picking up some dry air pockets for the southern half of the state, and also the storm track still has time to change. So a little bit more info in terms of that snow to give to you all. Yes, accumulation likely in southeast Nebraska. Totals are still a little iffy right now, but still expect that snow. Evening commute likely will be impacted. Cool there as we look at the weekend forecast. But next week, still looking nice, Katrina, in the 50s and 60s. So from snow to the 60s.
See, it's like we're getting like a little tease for what's to come.
Yeah, I feel like we're going to get a lot of snow coming up after we get all these nicer, warmer temperatures next week. We'll see, though.
All right. Thank you so much, Brittany.